Hi there everybody, on today's video I have the key for a Honda Jazz 2005. It goes, it's the same for the Accord and all the cars, 2005, 6, 2007, 8. I'm just gonna change the battery inside it as it's no longer working. The battery I'm gonna fit in is a Duracell 1616. That would be the one. Couldn't focus on that. So we need to remove this little Phillips screw in here. I already removed it a little bit. So if you take that out, and with a flathead screwdriver, open this little cover here. Take this part out. And then remove this other cover here. So just lift it up there, take it out. That's where the battery is. Take the battery out. There we are. And positive goes on that side. So the positive is on the battery is this side here. We'll get that in there. Refit the cover. Make sure it clips on. Get back on your key. And close the little cover here. Yeah. And make sure it works. You can see the little light now coming on. And then fit the little Phillips screw back in there. And that's it. So hope this video helps. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.